Alright, haven't seen any videos online about the RadRunner Plus trying to get a front rack and still use the same light solution. So put something together. Also, we'll share with you a more convenient way to get that rear passenger seat off and on that I've put together with some cheap, quick hardware solutions from Amazon. So anyway, show you here on the headlight. Looks great. You can still adjust it. Got these light brackets. I think I spent less than 10 bucks online through Amazon. You have to flip the light upside down. You can also flip it right side up, but it sits a bit high. It doesn't look as nice on the handlebar. Nobody knows the difference unless they really know the bike and care, but I think it looks just fine. That way also you get the front rack on. Also the cable wiring, I've seen that pretty messy from some people. I got it nice and clean. Zip tied it here to the side of the handlebar. Not sure if you can see it, but it helps it move freely right and left. All is good. The other thing I wanted to mention was, oh yeah, I got a little, what is this called? A handy lock, Foldy Lock. Perfect color match, looks custom with the bike. And then here is what I'm talking about on the bottom. Basically took number 6 threaded bolt, threaded it into the seat. Not sure if it's in focus, but anyway, threaded it into the seat. So then I take these on and off, and I can get that off. That way you can put whatever you want on the rear rack. So haven't seen that solution anywhere. What I didn't want is when I'm taking my kids on the back and then I want to change out the seat real quick, I didn't want to have to get the Allen key out and have to undo 4 screws. You could even just do 2 of these, one on each opposite corner. It still holds fine. I do 4 just because it's way easier than not doing it anyway. So hopefully that's helpful for you and gives you some ideas of a much cleaner, easier, better looking way to improve your bike. Thanks.